Hi everyone, welcome back to Good Design Lab and I am Guru. To introduce today's SOLIDWORKS tutorial, we are modeling exercise 37, this custom mounting plate, and we will look at the 2D technical drawing. Extrude the main base and create central hex boss and precision cutout and counterbore holes. It is a fantastic exercise to practice your blueprint reading and modeling speed. Drop a like and hit subscribe, and let's get started in SolidWorks. So first we need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. We need to close this exercise, then go to new part and select OK. So go to sketch tab and select center rectangle and take any plane like top plane and create it from origin and make it for 50 mm and this dimension is 120 mm. Then go to create some center lines for creating holes. Select all these lines with control button and make it for construction. You can see here. Then OK, and then go to a smart dimension and make this dimension of 10 mm. And then go to escape profile and select circle. And go to a smart dimension and make it for 10 mm dia. Select the circle with and press control button and select all the circles to define the relation is equal, and then OK. Select go to face tab and select extrude boss face and extrude it up to 10 mm and then OK. Then go to chamfer tab, select this corner and this dimension is 5 mm. Then select this face and go to sketch, select center line, select center line, go to line and make a drawing like this. Select this and delete, and then go to line and go to a smart dimension and make this dimension 16.6 mm and this one is 15 mm. This is also 11.7 mm and this one is 16.6 mm. This one is 11.7 mm. This one is 15 mm, 16.6 mm, 11.7 mm, and this is 16.6 mm. This is also 11.7 mm. This is also 15 mm. And then select this line and this line and make it for 11.7 mm, 11.7 mm, and select this line and make this for 25 mm. Then go to Features tab and select Extruded Boss face. Sorry, we need to draw a arc here. Select this sketch and go to Edit a Sketch and make a circle of 20 mm dia. Make it for 20 mm and go to Features tab and select Extruded Boss face and extrude it up to 22 mm. And then okay, we need to set counter holes at this upper face, and so we need to sketch this face and go to line and take a center line and create a center line at here. Create a circle at this point, and that's this dimension is 6 mm. This one is 26 mm. This one is 26 mm. And then go to Feature tab and select Extrude Cut and cut it through all. Select direction through all and then okay. Select this face and go to a sketch. You need to draw a circle at this point. Go to Smart Dimension and make this dimension at 12 mm. Select it okay. Select this upper edge and make it convert entities. And then go to Feature tab and select Extrude Cut and cut it up to 5 mm. Select blind here and set it for 5 mm and then okay. Then we need to apply colors. We need to go in Appearance tab and select any color and then okay. Select this upper face and go to Appearance tab. Okay. Select this face then okay. And that's wrap exercise 37. If this tutorial helped you in mastering the SolidWorks features, please smash the like button and subscribe to Grid Design Lab and go take a quicker to model this. Let me know and in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the next exercise and on your screen right now. I am Guru. Thanks for watching and keep designing. Thank you guys.